Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the D-Tone RL-0002 Rock Light LED table lamp. You will see from the box that there's an image of the table lamp right over here. This particular table lamp comes with night light, comes with micro USB power, comes with micro USB charging power. It also works for 12 hours and has a rechargeable battery as well. Okay, it's all written over here. Product characteristics: built-in rechargeable, environmental protecting and free maintenance lithium-ion battery, attached with micro USB socket as a product charging input port. It can be directly charged by cell phone adapter or the adapter with USB output port. The power consumption is 16 pieces of white LED. Strongest light is only 3 watt. And yeah, that's about it. I will open this and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what it looks like. This is what the Rock Light LED light looks like. It's already on because I pressed this button by mistake. I will switch it off. Now let's take a look. First up, we have a micro USB charging cable. This is what it looks like. This is a flat TPE micro USB charging cable. This is not going to get tangled anytime soon, but you should keep it safe. They tend to micro USB charging cables tend to lose themselves, so you have to keep it safe. And this is the LED lamp in question. This is the Rock Light LED lamp. This is the base. Now this base also has this groove over here. You can put some stuff here, including your charging cable should you choose to. There are 2 buttons over here. The control panel, there's an on-off button and there's a night light over here. Speaking of the light, there is the light, the LED, all the LEDs basically. There are 16 pieces of LEDs. I don't know if you can see them. There are 16 pieces of LEDs inside this module over here, which is connected to the base with this not a very long, but a pretty long flexible neck. It's a very flexible neck, by the way. You can mold it and shape it and make it point in any direction you want. Now let's turn this on. There you go. You can see there are 16 of them. I don't know if you can see it from here. Let me just turn down the brightness so you can see it properly. No, you still can't see it. Okay, let's keep it here. So there you go. There's 16 LED lights inside, small ones. Each of them is 3 watts. So total is 16:3. That's your 48 watt of light that comes out of this particular module. This is basically your night light. Let me switch this off. There you go. This is your night light. So at night, once you're done using this, you can just press on this to give the room a little bit of light. One other thing I should talk about is that just pressing it once turns it on. Both the module and the lamps are in the frame right now. So when you press it once, it turns on. Press it again, it becomes brighter. Press it once more, it becomes brighter even still, and one final time it switches off. So there are 3 brightness settings that you can get with this one touch of a button, and this is it. Also at the back, notice that there is a micro USB charging port as well. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the D-Tone RL-0002 Rock Light LED table lamp. Thank you for watching.